Construction Master Pro from Calculated Industries is an advanced construction math power tool that saves time and prevents costly errors for hundreds of thousands of construction professionals across the country and around the world. You may have seen them on job sites, in classrooms, or in meetings like this, or on a display stand in your local building material supply store. Let me take just a couple of minutes to show you how it can improve your productivity and profitability every single day. First off, it's a dimensional calculator that works in all the same units that you do. You enter a value just the way you say it. For instance, 14 feet, 7 inches, and 7/8, just the way you write a fraction, all the way down to 64/7 inch. Now you can add, subtract, or multiply with this number with any other dimension or number. For instance, let's divide by 3 for equal spacing. You can also combine with other formats. You're not locked into feet-inch fractions. So plus 32.5 feet minus 123.25 inches plus 3 yards. And let's subtract 2 meters just to make it interesting. The answer comes back in the format we started, feet-inch fraction. If you'd like another format, hit convert feet. There it is in tenths and hundredths. Back to feet-inch fractions. You have inches and fractions, inches and tenths, yards, meters, and you can do centimeters and millimeters too. You can do these conversions in linear values, square areas, or cubic volumes. There's also built-in weight functions and weight per volume functions, conversions. Solves all your on-site conversion needs quickly, simply, and accurately. The top row of keys are your built-in right-angle solution keys: pitch, rise, run, and diagonal. As long as you have any two, you can solve for all the others. They're really useful for solving square-up diagonals, for finding pitches, percent grades, and slopes for drainage, but most commonly they're used for solving rafter lengths. Not only common rafters, but hip and valley rafters and jack rafters for both regular and irregular dual pitch roofs. Now this middle row of keys are utility keys with things such as circles and arcs for solving radiuses, diameters, chords, segments of arched openings, windows, sonotubes, or anything round. We even have a compound miter key here for solving crown moldings. One of the most powerful functions is the stair key, which can solve all your stair layout calculations quickly and accurately. You simply enter the total floor-to-floor rise, 105-inch rise, and then start pressing the stair key, which gives you the riser height, number of risers, any adjustment, tread widths, number of treads, any adjustment, stairwell opening, the stringer length, the angle of incline, and the total run of the stairway. This function can save hours of frustrating calculations and stair table lookups. The length, width, and height feature can be a real time saver. By entering the length, width, and height just once, you can get up to 6 pieces of valuable information. Volume, wall surface area plus ceiling, square foot surface area, square up diagonal, and perimeter. And if you look closely here, you can see there's additional second functions for solving drywall sheets for 3 common sizes, footing volumes, and how many bricks or blocks you need, all based on the same length, width, and height dimensions that you previously entered. The Construction Master Pro also has a paperless tape function to let you review your last 20 entries and a handy backspace key to edit mistakes. It's got 4 memory storage locations, and it works as a regular math calculator with auto shutoff. It includes a protective slide-on case, fully illustrated user's guide, handy pocket reference guide that lives right here in the back slot, so you always have it with you, a CD with additional video, user guide, and product information, and 2 long-life batteries that live right here in the back. Additional protection options include our Armadillo Gear hard cases, dust, shock, and moisture resistant, as well as our ballistic nylon tool belt pouch with a spring steel clip that doesn't let go. This concludes our overview of the Construction Master Pro. If you'd like additional information on individual features, please check our website.